In today's video, I'm going to test out one of the meals in this MRE. If you don't know what MRE stands for, it's meal ready to eat, and this case was sent to me by the same people who sell the A24 rat trap. They have a second business selling these meals, and I'm really curious what they taste like. I love easy. If I go camping or hunting, I don't want to have to deal with food. I can throw one of these in the pack, and then it warms up, just add water. It has a heater inside, and I wonder how these taste. So we're going to open it up and see what the best meal is. Let's take a look at what they include in this 12 meal pack. Now, different companies that make these have different menus. This company is called Kit Supply, and these have a 5-year shelf life, so you can get a whole kit, just set it on the shelf, and you got 12 meals ready to go. They come in these brown plastic packages, and the meals are written on the back. Meatballs and marinara sauce. What's this one? Cheese tortellini. Both of those sound good. Spaghetti and potatoes. Chili with beans. Beef ravioli. I want to taste that one today. Cheese tortellini. Beef ravioli again. Vegetarian taco pasta and black beans and sauce. Apple maple oatmeal, good breakfast one. Hash browns with bacon, pork, and sausage patty, yum. Those are a lot of good options, but the first one I want to try is the ravioli. It says peel here to open. I'm just going to cut it with my knife. Applesauce. Beef ravioli. Mocha cappuccino instant powder. Oatmeal cookie. Utensil pack. Beverage powder, lemon lime. Grape jelly. Heating pack. And crackers. So I'm going to test out all these items, but before I do, I'm going to start to cook our beef ravioli. If you haven't seen these before, you tear off the top. Place the meal inside. Pour in just enough water to go between these two lines. Don't overfill it. Then you fold it back over and place in this cardboard pouch. That will heat up and be a nice warm meal. I'm just going to set this to the side and let it warm up, and then we'll check out the other items. The grape jelly would go good with the crackers, the applesauce here, cookie. I might do dessert first. We'll mix up our beverage powder. Make sure you shake out all the powder chunks on the bottom. It actually looks pretty good. Here's the oatmeal cookie. Some crackers. The grape jelly. It looks good. And the applesauce. It's kind of like a squeezy that my kids eat. Only you pull off the pouch. I'm going to cut it. An applesauce and jelly cracker sandwich. Yummy. Okay, before I eat the cracker with the jelly and applesauce, I'm first going to taste the cookie. It's very dry. Kind of sweet. It does taste like oatmeal. Everything tastes better when you're out camping or backpacking. These all have a lot of calories, the energy you need, and this tastes pretty good. The flavor is excellent. The texture is kind of weird being so dry, but I guess that's how they last for over 5 years. Overall, not a bad dessert, actually pretty good. That cookie is so dry, I'm gonna wash it down with some lemon lime drink. It tastes like those powdered drinks you had when you were a kid. Lemon lime is pretty good, and I'm sure it's full of electrolytes and sugar. Things you need when you're out using energy, camping, hiking, and backpacking. Now we're gonna taste the crackers with the jelly and applesauce. It's really good, kind of like a saltine, and with the jelly and applesauce, it's nice and sweet. I was always told there's some pretty bad MREs out there, but overall, I like all this food. Try some more of the applesauce. Excellent applesauce, that's really good. A lot of this reminds me of the meals I had when I was a kid, with crackers and jelly and applesauce and cookies. Almost nostalgic, it's really nice. The chemical reaction with the pouch and the water inside, this is really heated up, and we're ready to eat it. I'm gonna see what's included in this pack. Spoon. Coffee mate. Little towelette. Freeze-dried coffee. Sugar. Salt and pepper, and a napkin. Let's try the ravioli. A lot of tomato in there. Ooh, you can see the raviolis. Let's give these a try. It's very meaty, you can taste the tomato. It's kind of dry in texture, but the flavor is excellent. For what it is, a convenient meal you can throw in your pack. It's a lot of calories that you don't have to carry a lot of weight. Very simple to just add water and heat it up. I'm a big fan of MREs, and these are by far the tastiest that I've had. So I'd really recommend the ravioli. I'm curious what the other flavors taste like. Leave a comment down below on which one you want me to test out next, but the beef ravioli, so far is my favorite. I've only had one though. Thanks for watching. This is different than what I usually post. I know there's whole channels devoted to testing out MREs, but for me, I really like having this option I can throw in my pack. I don't have to worry about food planning, cooking. If you can't have fires during fire season, just add water. It's very convenient, and these are tasty. Let me know what flavor you want me to test out next, and I'll post a video on that. Thanks for watching.